If you want to know how to delete a project in Base44, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and safe way. Whether you're cleaning up old test projects, removing an app you no longer need, or just organizing your workspace, this tutorial will help you do it quickly without confusion. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your project or app inside the Base44 editor. This is where you'll see the main workspace for the app you want to remove. Once your project is open, look for the dashboard option and click on it. The dashboard is where you can access the main controls and settings for your app. After that, find and select Settings, then choose App Settings. This section contains the important configuration options for your project. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You're looking for the danger zone area. Base44 places destructive actions here so they're easier to find and less likely to be clicked by accident. In the danger zone, you'll see the option to delete app. Click that button when you're sure you want to permanently remove the project. A confirmation prompt will appear next. Take a moment to review it carefully because deleting an app is usually permanent and may remove all associated content and its data. If you're certain, confirm the action in the prompt. Once you confirm, Base44 will delete the project from your account. And that's it. Your Base44 project has been deleted successfully. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.